Bonafide Hustler here, and today I'm going to open up maybe a multi-day kind of vlog. So we'll see various parts of my life, including some of the hustle in a tough time. So let's get on with the show. What's going on, guys? Chris, the Bonafide Hustler, coming to you live from the inside of my house. It is midday on a Monday, and we got 2 shipments going out for eBay. Actually, no, one for eBay and one for FedEx. Gonna get those things out right now. Make sure you get the free guide, by the way. Before we get into like what's sold, make sure you get the free guide right here. It will teach you 50 awesome used items that you can resell for cash. It is the first link down below, and it's a guide that I created about a year ago. So if you want to get kind of started, and even if you're an intermediate in this game and you want to learn some more things, check out that guide. It's 100% free, and it puts you on an awesome email list where CHEDDAR reports will come out as well. I'll explain those a little bit later today. But yeah, get the guide. I think you'll enjoy it. What's going on today? So, you know, it is a tougher time right now, no lie. I have been slacking a little bit and working on some other things behind the scenes, but what we have going on right here, my own pair of personal running shoes that I think I bought for like 120 bucks, like way back in the day. I'm talking probably 6 years ago, sold for 81 bucks. I've worn them for maybe like a week or two. This is a time where thrift stores are closed and selling personal things there's nothing wrong with it. I'm actually thinning out and doing a little bit of a Marie Kondo kind of thing. If you don't know what that is, look that up. Marie Kondo effect definitely has come down to house level in a time like this, and I'm realizing that I got plenty of things that I don't use that have good value associated to them. So I've been listing a lot of them progressively. So yeah, my own personal running shoes are chilling in there. I don't care about them anymore. They sold for 81 bucks, pretty awesome, going out priority. And underneath that is like a $6.48 crawler body. It's a Gravedigger crawler body that sold for 100 bucks this morning, so that is amazing. That's going to go out it's going to go out FedEx. So that's pretty much what's going on so far. Let's see where the rest of the day takes us. Oh yeah, we have to do a checkup with E-Money's hair. We have to see what his hair looks like. Guys, if you're not kind of following the Instagram stories when I do build them, you're in for quite a treat. You'll see what I'm talking about later on. Also, something that I'm doing today is I am filming and vlogging for my other channel. So if you don't know what that is, I'll flash it right here for 2 seconds. You can check it out on Instagram and YouTube. It's more fitness-based, but yeah, I'm trying a whole vlog setup with that, and it's taken a while, but this is basically the rig that I'm using for that one. But yeah, let's go check out what's going on. Like I said, this video is going to be a lot of just random daily stuff, so let's put on the slip-on Vans. Let's get down the road and see if we can find a mailman in the neighborhood. If you haven't figured it out, it is a beautiful day today in Austin, Texas. About 62 degrees. Gorgeous outside. Okay, let's put this stuff in the little spaceship. Spaceship does not have much room at all. Get in there, the box. All right, let's see if I can find myself a postman or postwoman. 3:30, 3:15 of the day. I should be able to find one. Okay, I gotta look for a USPS guy. Where are you, dude? Man, I still gotta go to FedEx anyway, so it's not like it's a huge thing not to find one in the neighborhood. It just helps a little bit. I guess I'll just go to the post office. Man, that sucks. To the post office, let's do it. Good way to just have natural energy is to stay adequately hydrated. So I do it, gosh, how many times a day do I fill this thing up? I don't know, a lot of times. I'm trying to think. Oh yeah, I wanted to discuss with you guys the whole thing about like thrift stores are closed and no more garage sales and that kind of stuff. At least at most of the places in the USA, it's not happening. How am I starting to source in a time like this? I look to my own personal things that I don't get around to. We discussed that earlier. And I also look into, especially Facebook Marketplace and Craigslist. I mean, ridiculous amounts of like keyword searching and finding great deals. This past weekend, I on an Instagram story, you guys saw me pop on a carbon wakeboard handle plus a Spectra line for like 25 bucks, probably worth about 80 to 100. I also bought a $25 bike off of Nextdoor app that just needs new brake cables, but still it's probably worth about 120 bucks. So those are the kind of things I'm looking into. I'm looking at things like that, GoPros, Yeti coolers, the kind of things that people just want to buy in a time like this. I mean, people always want high quality goods. And if you snipe hard enough and you look multiple times a day, you can find some great things. Of course, nothing at this time is going to probably repay you better than like health and fitness type stuff, because people's gyms are closed and all that kind of stuff. Like yesterday, I sold a pull-up bar. It's like a doorway pull-up bar for 60 bucks. I was probably $3 into that from a garage sale. It just goes to show you, people are willing to pay some absurd amounts of money for dumbbells and weights and you know, power racks and benches and bench press look setups and kettlebells and doorway pull-up kind of thing. So think about that kind of stuff in a time like this. Another thing I want to ask you guys is, you know, how's it looking in your hometown? Like, what are your opportunities to source items and how are you making money? So down below, put a comment. I would love to read it. Hopefully I'm on the same page. I'm looking at all kinds of different ways, like even to the point where I'm like, I know merch is closed right now, but like starting up merch designs and everything, banking them on some, you know, folder on my computer. And then when that thing releases, like just starting to upload a bunch of merch kind of designs, just so when something like this happens again or anything like that, it just gives me another form of income that might be small, but still, you just never know. So I'm thinking about lines like that. Like, how are you guys making money in your hometown right now, considering most of non-essential kind of businesses are closed? I am just very interested. So comment down below and make sure you hit the like button as well. Who's at the door? Someone's here. Just kidding. E-Money's in my hallway. E-Money! What? Your hair! What about it? I told him on the vlog I would show. Look at, what is this?
What about it?
I don't know. It kind of looks like a shovel. Sort of. Whoa.
No, it's like nothing.
You ever seen that thing in Dumb and Dumber where that, like, the truck that they have? The van?
Yeah.
With the
like the dog ears.
With the dog ears?
Yeah. Hold on.
Oh gosh, here it is.
There
All right, there, cool. Now you got to go off like a ramp. I told you it was crazy. It actually does look good now. It's getting there.
Yeah, it is getting there.
Oh man, E-Money's gonna work out in the goddamn gym. Yeah, I have a gym in the garage. Obviously, you know that. So he's gonna go. He comes in every day and works out there. So nearly every day. All right. So what's next? We'll ask E-Money what you sold lately on eBay. E-Money, what'd you sold lately on eBay?
Last year on eBay?
Yeah. What's the last thing you sold on eBay?
Solomon Gore-Tex hiking boots.
Hiking boots. How much you pay for them? How much you sell them for?
I think I got them for $15 or $19. Sold them for $74.
Oh, nice. When was that one? Yesterday? Today?
A few days ago.
Cool. Was that pre-workout?
Yes.
What kind? C4?
No, BPI.
BPI. Oh, look at that.
With beetroot.
Oh, with beetroot. Homeboy going vegan. All right, cool. So, see you later, you monies. All right, following morning and last night while I slept, Cheddar was in my dreams. I sold a pair of Vans that were kind of like checkered / hipster looking high top ones, men's 11. They sold for $70 if I'm not mistaken, which is crazy. And I even had a best offer key on there, which makes no sense, but yeah, so they sold for $70. And I think like 13 into these, something like that. So yeah, I gotta get a label for that and we'll see where the day takes us. Haha, labels on it. All right. So I got a workout this morning. Friends are coming over. Definitely post a bike up for sale today and see what other things I can, you know, do, what I can list. And yeah, another thing I'm going to do today is probably get started on some of my merch designs that I want to upload whenever the barrier to upload is gone on merch. So yeah, I will probably be using a thing called Canva. And Canva's got a bunch of t-shirt designs now that, you know, kind of pre-populated that you can kind of adjust the letters and everything and put your own sayings in there and stuff. So I'm going to be looking at something like that. And you can still craft it to, you know, 5400 by 4500, whatever the pixel thing is for merch upload. And I believe you can still export with transparent background. Maybe with Canva Pro you can do that. I'm not 100% sure yet, so I'm going to take a look at that. And that's one of the things I have to do later on today. So it's about 9:40 in the morning and getting zoned in for the workout. Not easy to do, but you know, I've done my morning ritual already this morning and everything, so feeling pretty good about the day so far. It hasn't even really started. Something I'm doing right now, I'm actually sending offers out to people through eBay. So, you know, any kind of thing I guess helps you with the algorithm, any sort of activity, you know, speed to getting the item shipped to a customer, all this kind of stuff. I think eBay is looking at just general input, you know, into the system. So I'm trying to give it as much as I can, and I'll find some other things to, you know, list today. But after this, I have a Cheddar report, which I'm going to explain in 1 second. Wow, did you hear that? So I just got paid for something that I sent an offer out just now. I made an offer literally 30 seconds ago and someone bought the item. It was a Wrangler pink blue Southwestern Western shirt, men's large. Really nice looking shirt actually. So it's a vintage Pro Snap shirt, sold for $60 and I just got paid for it. Man, That was really fast. I can't believe it. I have never had anything sell that quickly after making some sort of input. Holy crap. That was crazy. That was literally like 2 things ago that I adjusted the price for. Wow. Holy crap. Okay, so I am making the cheddar report right now. I'm actually, look, this is the cheddar report number 10 right here. It's kind of what it looks like. It shows some monthly finds, all kinds of stuff. Now the new one I'm building will be a different version of this one right here, but I talk about solds, some really cool stuff, things that I got ripped off on. But yeah, this is basically what the cheddar report is gonna be. So cheddar report number 11 comes out Wednesday morning. If you're lucky enough to see this video by then you'll get it. If not, you'll just wait for cheddar report number 12. The way you get on it is to get on my email list. You get my free used items guide, you know, the very first link down below, and it puts you automatically on the list to get cheddar reports and other random stuff that I do. So anyway, that's one of the things I need to wrap up the day with, and I will see you on the next video. Take it easy. Goodbye.